may now take your seat. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the dynamic duo of iFashion, Romel and Marvin! The show must go on!
Ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Ma'am Rosa!
Good evening po sa inyo. Kaya niyo yun? Hindi niyo
Ma'am
kaya
Rosa,
yun?
thank you.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Let me hear you make some noise, iFashion! Maraming magagandang mga ano, no?
Mahina, mahina.
Tayo ulit na Brad na nandito. So, magpasensya niyo na kami ulit ang naatasan mag-host. So, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Romel, take it away.
Ayun, muli, welcome po natin ang lahat ng nandito ngayon. So, ito po yung last day natin. And again, celebrate po natin yung Thanksgiving after a very challenging year 2024. Okay, to start up, brother, ready na ba yung camera? Okay, sige. May gagawin po tayo, ha?
Magsa-selfie lang tayo guys ha, mag-video lang tayo.
Okay, iikot po yung camera from here to there, tapos pwedeng pagdaan sa inyo yung pinakamaingay at pinakamataas na waves.
Energy, alright? In
Okay,
1, 2, 3, and hello!
Ayan, oh! Lamesa.
Hello!
Ang ingay na ikot.
Doon sa dulo!
Patuloy! Yo! Brother, ibalik mo! Gusto ko
One
yun.
more time!
Si Kuya, tahimik eh.
Okay ka lang kuya.
Okay na yan. By the way, naka-live stream tayo kay Marvin. So, ayun. Papanood tayo sa Yemen, sa Afghanistan, and sa kung saan pa. Okay, so, again mga kaibigan, salamat po sa inyong pagpunta. And
Yes.
konting history lang po. Kasi last year, parang Pilipinyana tayo.
Pilipinyana ang team.
In fact, yung committee nag-decide na huwag nang pagpilisin yung mga attendees. Kaya lang, last year, ang daming nag-effort.
At saka nakalagay sa email, hindi naman required na magsuot, magforma ng team. Pero ang dami nag-effort, di ba? Aren't you proud of yourself, guys? Give yourself a round of applause.
Sobrang kulay po ng 8th floor. Ngayon, so wala pong aalis. Marami pa tayong gagawin. Like may mga contest tayo and raffles and everything. Kaya dyan lang po kayo. Okay? So, yun.
Number 2 na. Okay, for the opening remarks, no? Ma'am Girlie. Alright? So, I'd like to give the mic to Ma'am Girlie, or palakpakan naman natin ang ating napakagandang
Evening. Actually, this message came from our beloved President. Ayan. Dahil 80s, yan yun. Here's his message. Good evening. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. As I welcome you all to this annual celebration tonight. Wow! The 80s theme setting tonight makes me feel like a blast from the past. So all youngsters during 80s, sino yun? Siyempre tayo. Do you feel younger and more fashionable tonight? With tonight's theme, I can't help but to bring back the humble start of what we know today as a fashion marketing company. Speaking of fashion, back then, we used to wear shades, colorful baggy pants and shirts, cauliflower color hair, bigote. Yes, it's optional. Fashion is really the expression of the time. Fashion today, if to compare to the 80s, ang layo ng kaibahan. No? Yes, but to see is to believe. And we are proud to have served the Filipino market for several decades through all fashion cycles and hopefully to continue to serve for more decades to come. As we facing the coming 2025 challenge of mandatory salary increase by the government, and there are already 3 consecutive years the salary increased, so does all utilities expenses too. Also, higher product costs due to USD and peso exchange rate, which make our costs increase and therefore reduces our profits. The neck-to-neck market competition with bagsak presyo. General market weaknesses in demand of clothing due to high inflation on the food cost. Too many natural calamities as we had witnesses continuous typhoons which caused a lot of damages. Luckily, there is no typhoon. Thanks, holiday. Hallelujah. Guys, to me, you are all living heroes of IFMC. Without your hard working, teamwork, and leadership in function, it will be impossible that we can survive all difficulties as I have stated above. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all of you and to those who have extraordinarily contributed their talents, skills, and hard work to our survival. I sincerely hoping that we will have good, positive results this 2024 and to survive with a better 2025. More power to IFMC. Cheers to 2025 and let's party!
So, what a very inspirational message from our CEO.
Sound check. Hello. Sino mga gutom na? Taas ang kamay! Bahala kayo, ayaw magtaas ang kamay. Tita, may gutom na ba? Mga gutom na.
Ako gutom na ako.
Okay. Ngayon, para lang tulad ng last year, para hindi masyadong magulo, no? Pupulot kami kung sino yung makuha ng table, okay? Pero yung mga awardees, mga service tender awardees, dyan lang kayo sa inyong mga table, kayo sa serve naman. Okay, ang unang number ng table para pumunta sa buffet, magkabila yan ha. Kung saan kayo malapit, table number 3.
Table number 3.
Sunod na kayo sa malapit.
Okay, next. Table number 33. Oh, dito na naman sa kaliwa. Wala akong tayaan ha.
Next table para kumain. Table number 8. Hindi na kayo.
Next, table number 21. table number 31. 31, wala. Oh, wala 31.
31? O, yan.
Uy,
Tayo na kayo.
wala silang reaction.
Pwede nakita mo yun, pero yun.
Hindi pala, dito pala ako sa side list na kano. Kanina dyan.
Table number 13. 13. Yan, ah.
Next, table number 29. Asan?